How to schedule TikTok posts on your mobile phone. If you also want to schedule TikTok posts, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Let me tell you right at the start, you cannot schedule TikTok posts directly through the TikTok mobile app. To schedule posts on TikTok, usually a computer is required. But in this video, I'm going to show you a method that allows you to schedule your TikTok posts directly from your mobile phone. So make sure to watch the full video because if you miss any step, your post may not get scheduled properly. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's get started. As I mentioned, TikTok's mobile app does not have any option to schedule posts. There's no built-in feature for that. So what you need to do is open any browser on your mobile phone. Here, I'm using Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and type TikTok login and hit search. You'll see the first result as TikTok's official login page. Open that website. Now, log into your TikTok account. If you created your account using your phone number or Gmail, just enter your Gmail and password to log in. In my case, I created my TikTok account with Google, so I'll click on the Continue with Google option and log in that way. As you can see, all my Gmail accounts are showing here. I'll select the one I used to create my TikTok account. After selecting the email, you'll see a Continue option. Click on that. Now you'll see two options. If you click the first option that says Open TikTok, it will open the TikTok app, and remember, you cannot schedule posts using the app. So make sure you click the second option, not now. At this point, you might get a CAPTCHA. If you do, just complete it. Once done, you'll see that your TikTok account is now logging in through Chrome. And finally, I'm logged into my TikTok account within the Chrome browser. Now, after logging in, there's one important setting you must enable. If you skip this, you won't see the schedule option. For this setting, click the three dots at the top right corner of the browser. Scroll down and find the desktop site option. Enable it by checking the box. As you can see, mine is already enabled. After enabling the desktop site, go back to the TikTok page. Now you'll see a plus icon to upload a video. Tap on the plus icon. After a short loading time, you'll see an option called Select Video. Tap on it. Your phone's gallery will open up. Select the video you want to schedule. After selecting the video, you'll be able to do basic SEO settings, like adding a title, location, etc. Here, I'm adding my video's location. Tap on the Search Location option and type your location. Select it once it appears. After adding the location, you'll see the schedule option appear below. Tap on that. Now you can set your desired date and time for when the video should be posted. I'll select the date and time I want. As soon as I select it, the schedule button at the bottom becomes clickable. Click the schedule button and your TikTok post will be successfully scheduled. This is how you can easily schedule a TikTok post using your mobile phone without needing a computer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.